Hi everybody, hope you're going well. It's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a white line to an image in Canva. So this is a Canva tutorial showing you how to get this little effect here. Lots of YouTube videos have this white line. It can be any color line actually. So I'm going to jump over into Canva and show you how to do that right now. So I've just quickly and easily created this image here, stock image with a white outline. So I'm going to just build this from scratch so you can see how I did it. So when you go basically to the home page of Canva, if this is for like a YouTube thumbnail, just type in YouTube into the bit here and thumbnail, and you should see this YouTube thumbnail come up. It'll be the right size, and then you simply select create a blank YouTube thumbnail. This will just give us our canvas to work on. So I'm going to add a white line to an image. So I'll start off with a dark background. So I'll click in the middle here, just click anywhere. And then right here where it's the background color editor, I'm just going to select like a dark blue. Now I need a photo or an image to add a background to. So I'm going to search right here under elements. Now I'm using Canva Pro, so I've got access to a lot of these stock photos, but you can actually drag a photo of yourself in if you've got just a photo or a screenshot of your YouTube video, because I'm going to be removing this background. So to do that, this is best if you see when you drag in an image, sometimes it can take up the whole screen. We don't want it to do that. We just want to click on it once so it's kind of within the screen. That makes it easier to edit. Now, when I've got that photo selected, I'm going to go up to Edit Image. And these are all Canva Pro features, the background remover. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can actually upload a PNG file with the background already removed. There are some websites, if you type background remover photo into Google, you'll see that Adobe Express has a free image background remover. So you can actually have, if you don't have the Pro version of Canva, you can simply upload under here, under Uploads. See, I've done this before. I've got a photo of me right here where I've already gone and made this like white line, outline. I think I did that in Photoshop or something. So you can see how it's got no background. You can upload a PNG with no background. We've removed the background, and the next thing to do is to go Edit Image again. And then in this box here, we're going to type in Shadow and click Shadows. And then Glow is the one we want. And that will add a default sort of background glow to it. If you click on that again, it's got the settings, and we can change the size, transparency, blur, and color. We're going to change the color to white. And then what we want to basically do is put the transparency all the way up. We want the blur down low, so the line is kind of thicker. And we can select the size of the glow, the thickness of the line, by dialing that up. So something like 6 or 7 is probably good. Let's go with, maybe I'll go 8. And the blur just gives it that fuzzy edge look if you like that. And if you want it more of a solid line, put the blur down to 0 or 1. I'm now going to resize this image by clicking on it and dragging the borders. So this is just a really good way of creating fantastic YouTube thumbnails. And then I'm going to go, this will probably be the thumbnail to this video. So I'm going to go to text and I'll go add a heading and I'll make it some white text. And then I'm going to go to elements and select an arrow. And I'm going to choose a white arrow if I can find one. Here we go. There's a white arrow. Actually, I've decided I really don't like that font. Let's try a different font. Yeah, something like that's all right. I never get too fussy with my YouTube thumbnails. I just want to get them done really quickly and keep on moving, making more content. I might move this girl to the side a bit And that gives us more room for that text. And there we go. That's how you add a white line in Canva. It's really handy. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you found it useful, make sure you subscribe and pop a like. And I'll see you next time.